watch my last video if you haven't. I'm going to be unboxing this. Whoa. Here's some molds and roller things. Some blue kinetic sand. Also, I just got a swing a while ago, and we haven't had any time to put it up, but we're going to put it up tonight. Yellow sand, and black sand, and red. A couple more little things, and boxes that I can put the kinetic sand in. My next video will be me playing with all this, and I'll put some things in slow-mo. It'll be really satisfying. Let's get this stuff out. There's a roller, a flattener, a big roller, some shapes you can put on that and squish it, 2 scoop things that I can roll like ice cream. Things you push it down, it makes that print. A crinkle cutter, so like more molds, and a little fork thing that you go like that. And then that. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the montage.